So, hello everyone, I'm Samir and today we'll be solving some of the SOQL queries and we'll be finding the solution. Here we have opened the developer console of Salesforce. So let's start. So our requirement is fetch all contact whose last name start with A and email is not null. Display their first name, last name and email. So here to understand the requirement, first move here. We have the contact and in that we have multiple things like we have first name, last name and other things. So what we have to do, fetch all contact whose last name start with A. So what we have to do here is let's write first query, select what we have to show, display their first name, last name and email. So let's write first name, last name and email. For the convention, let's write this capital. Select first name, last name, and email uh, from all contacts. So we have to write from contact where last name. Actually, this is case insensitive, but we are choosing to write the thing which is readable and understandable. So select first name, last name, email from contact where last name, and we have to choose like start with A, where last name start with A. So for that, we have one operator like. So where last name like, and we have to write like start with A, then write A and then percent. Percent means anything after A. So last name like A, like it should be this format, and email is not null, and email and again and is SQL operator, SOQL operator, and email not equal to null. So hope this will work. Let's see. So we don't have any value like that. Let's create one. We are in a contact. Let's write one. Suppose first name is something, Sam, Anand, and then where email should not be null. So write anything, email, okay, and all done. Save it. We have created a contact, and now let's move here and execute the statement, and it is still not coming. That means there might be some of the issue. Let's check. Select first name, last name and email from contact where last name like start with A and email is not equal to null. It should be working. Let's move here, and in our contact we have something called Sam Anand, and here we have last name. Okay. Why I think I should refresh this page. There might be some network issue, so that might be the problem. So we are pasting our query, and yeah, it is working. So that was a problem of the internet issue. So here our one record is coming where last name is starting with A and email is not equal to none. So this was how to achieve this kind of query, like where we use the like operator, where also we use and operator to like we are checking the two of the condition where name start with A and the email is not equal to none. So hope you got the solution and it is clear to you. Thank you.